Hello guys, I'm Enzo and I'm back with the second introduction video. It is introduction number 1. The last one was number 0. It is not something important but just for keeping the tracks. Okay, one of the powerful tools of MATLAB is the way you can plot and see the sequences. Very easy. I think you'll love it when you understand it. It's so simple. So, for example, we want to plot something. And see the results. Okay, I'm going to plot a sequence which is from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then use the function stem. Okay, function stem is the discrete plotting tool. I'm going to show you in a moment how it's work. Okay, stem A. Okay, it doesn't need any kind of assigning thing. You just use stem and see F5. Okay, I'm gonna save this one. Before pressing F5, you need to save it. Okay, intro 1, intro number 1, and save. Okay, you see this thing shows the plot, and the sequence here is clear. Okay, for example, we want to set this value instead of 0 to 9. We want to have the time axis from okay, like this. Let me put it this way: minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. I think it will be 9. I think it's for, let's see. And I'm using this as a time, as a axis X. Okay, and let's see how it will. Okay, seems okay. You see, from minus 5, minus 4 to the 4. I changed the time axis, or the how can say X axis. Okay, and the Y axis remain the same. Okay, another thing which is really useful in the MATLAB is the function of plot. Okay, stem is good here, and the plot seems good here. Plot time, it's like just the stem. It's instead this function it uses some interpolation. You see, they somehow interpolate the values and they draw a line. How about plotting both of these together? Okay, in order to do that, you need to use hold on here. Okay, and then press F5. You see both of these things are plotted together. How about to show a little bit, I don't know, grids on it? Okay, press F5. You see the grid. These are some of the tools that you can see better here. How about using the legend function? Legend. And okay, legend will give you the data 1 and data 2. You can change data 1 and data 2 by simply adding a name to them. For example, I need a stem, and then plot. Okay, press F5. There's something wrong with it. Warning, entries. Let me do it with you here, because sometimes my knowledge gets rusty, and I want to show you how easy it is to um, use the okay, simple errors. I just want you to uh, witness things that makes errors. It's nothing important. I'm just gonna use it after the plot function and stem function. That was a simple error. I should probably get used to this error. It's part of your learning process. Okay, stem, plot, easy. Okay. We can change these names. We can do a lot of things to it. How about finishing the video here, and when we understand how to plot these things, we go further. Okay, let's add two things here too. For example, we want to have a title. How about the title? Plotting the sequence. Okay, I'm gonna press F5. Okay, plotting this. It is the title of this one. How about having X label? X label. I think it was like this one. Okay, time, and we can have a Y label, which is like this. Y label amp. Okay, F5, and then you see, guys. Okay, amplitude, time, and this is okay. We can put like something like this in S. It's more distinguished. In second. Okay. One of the things that you should know is subplot. Okay. We're gonna add okay, let's do it here. For example, we want to pop a new window. We just write figure. Okay, and then in the first one, subplot function, we're gonna divide the new window into two sections. Okay, 2 by 1, 2 row and 1 column, and we want to write in the first column a stem. Okay, see it, and in the second one I just gonna change the change the 1 here in 2. Okay, and then stem, no, plot time and A, and let's see what happens. Okay, you see, this is our first plot, this is our second. In the figure here that we have, here, it is obvious that the subplot first one is here. You can divide it in many ways as you wish. For example, how about, okay, when you want to close all the things in the beginning, it's better to call a function close all. Okay, this way you won't get confused because some of the times it plotted itself. Okay, 2 by 2, and we want to have it, let's do it here, 2 by 1, and then okay, 2 by 2. Okay, We want to this one in being square 2. We want this to be in square 3. Okay, obviously we divided in 4 sections, 2 by 2, 2 rows, 2 columns. And then we want to, in the second subplot, we need this one, and the third subplot is this one. So let's see the results. Okay, close all is sorry. Okay, you see, the subplot works like this. Another thing which is worth to mention, when you want to plot this thing here and you want to this one to be all in this column, how can we do that? Okay, it's easy, it's really easy. Subplot from 3 to 4. Okay, just like that. I hope you learned something today, and be with me, because I'm gonna show you a couple of useful waves you always need in DSP, signal processing. Okay, see you guys in another video, and thank you for watching me.